2026 is literally just around the corner, and you're still sitting there watching videos about how to change your life instead of actually doing something about it. I know it hurts to hear that, but somebody's gotta tell you the truth. While you've been scrolling through social media, comparing yourself to what you see everybody else posting, there's a small group of people who've been putting in the real work, making moves. And guess what? They're about to leave you so far behind, you won't even see their taillights. But here's the good news. You still have time. Not a lot of it, but enough to make a change. So if you are serious about getting ahead of 99% of people before 2026 hits, stop what you're doing right now, close all the tabs, stop looking at the fucking comments, and pay attention. Because what I'm about to share with you is exactly what separates winners from losers, the rich from the broke, and people who make it happen from the ones who just talk about it endlessly. The people who never accomplish anything. You know those people. Trust me, you don't want to be one of them. My name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting online. I made my first 1K day at 21 and my first $2,600 day in profit at 22. So everything I'm telling you comes from my experience. Getting ahead of 99% of people all starts with a decision. I'm not talking about the fake decisions you've been making every New Year's Eve when you're drunk and motivated for like 48 hours before you go back to being the same person you've always been. I'm talking about a real, fundamental shift in who you are as a person. If you act like 99% of people, don't come crying when you've got the exact same life as all of them. You want a different result, right? Well, you need to become a different person. Period. There's no other way. Your actions right now, everything you do on a daily basis, it's always in perfect alignment with your identity, with who you believe you are. That's why most people fail to create any kind of lasting change in their life. They try to change their actions, but they never change themselves internally. They never actually transform who they are at their core. It's like the obese person who goes on a diet, but the whole time they're on a diet, they're just counting down the days until it's over so they can go back to eating whatever they want, whenever they want. They never actually become a healthy person. They just temporarily acted like one. And that's why the weight always comes back. That's why the results are always temporary. And it's the same reason why people always go back to being broke after they make a little bit more money. That's why people sabotage their own success. Because internally, they still see themselves as that same broke, lazy, overweight, undisciplined person they've always been. They haven't made the internal change. So before you do anything else, before you take actual action, before you try to learn some new skill or start a new business or make any kind of change in your life, you need to decide who you're going to be. You need to look yourself in the mirror and make a real decision about your identity. Are you going to be somebody who wins or somebody who makes excuses and never gets the things they want? Are you going to be someone who does whatever it takes or someone who quits when things get difficult? Because I promise you, your external reality will always match your internal identity. Always. So stop trying to change your actions and start changing who you fundamentally are as a person first. That is where everything begins. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, if you want to get ahead of 99% of people in or before 2026, you need to stop consuming and start producing. This is simple, but 99% of people never think about this. Look around you right now. Every single person or business who's actually making money, who's actually building real wealth, they're producers. They create value for other people. They solve problems. They make things happen. Meanwhile, everyone who's broke is just consuming all day long. Consuming content, consuming products, consuming services. If you actually pay attention, you'll notice that the people who produce value earn a lot more money. The more value you bring to the world, the more money you're going to earn. It's really that straightforward. Think about it like this. The consumer walks into Starbucks. They stand in line, they make a purchase, they get their little coffee and their little pastry. But who's actually making the money? The owner of Starbucks. Because they provided the solution to a need. People want a warm cup of coffee and a nice pastry to start their day. Starbucks solved that problem, so they get paid for it. And because they also solve it at scale, they get paid a lot. If you sell one cookie, it doesn't really matter. If you sell 1 million cookies, now you're making a lot more money. The bigger the need you solve, the more expensive the solution is worth. That's why medical procedures and surgeries cost so much money, because the need is massive. Someone's literally saving your life or fixing a very serious health problem. And that, I think we all agree, is worth a lot. But if you just solve some tiny, insignificant problem, you're not gonna make much money unless you help billions of people. So if you want to get ahead of 99% of people, you need to shift your mindset from being only a consumer to being a producer too. Stop spending all your time watching Netflix if you want to get rich, or scrolling through TikTok and consuming everyone else's content. Start creating, start building, start solving problems, any problem. Provide value to other people, because that's the only way you're ever going to make more money. And I'm talking about like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or $100,000 a month or more. That's the only way you're ever going to build real wealth. Producers get paid, consumers stay broke. It's that simple. The next thing you need to understand is that not every vehicle will get you to your goals. Now this is huge, and most people completely miss this. Let me give you an example. If you wanted to become really muscular, really big and strong, but all you do every single day is run on the treadmill for an hour, what's going to happen? You'll get really fit. Your cardio will be great, yes, but you're not going to be big and strong. You're not going to have bigger muscles because you're not training properly for that specific goal. You picked the wrong vehicle. The same thing applies to money and success. If you want to be rich in your 20s or 30s, but your plan is to rely on passive stock market investing or work some regular $30,000 a year job, you're not gonna get there. It's literally impossible. You picked the wrong vehicle. So before you go all in on anything, before you commit years of your life to some path, you need to make absolutely sure that the vehicle you're choosing actually aligns with your goals, that it can actually take you to where you want to go. That's exactly why I started an online business and sold high-ticket consulting and services instead of getting massively in debt to go to some garbage university and end up with some $40,000 a year shitty job. I always understood that a regular job would never make me rich. It simply couldn't. The math doesn't work. The vehicle doesn't go to that destination. So I chose a different vehicle, one that could actually get me to where I wanted to go. And that is what made all the difference. You can row extremely hard, but if you're in the wrong boat, it's not gonna matter. Most people waste years of their lives going down paths that could never possibly lead them to their goals. And then they wonder why they're not successful, why they're not rich, why they're miserable. It's because they chose the wrong vehicle from the start. So get really clear on what you want. Then be honest with yourself about whether or not the path you're on can actually take you there. And if it can't, have the courage to change direction. Have the courage to pick a better vehicle. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. In your quest for success, please don't forget to take care of your health. I'm talking about your physical and mental health, because your body is the only place you're forced to live in until the day you die. Let that sink in for a second. You can't upgrade to a new body. You can't trade it for another. You're stuck with the one you've got, so you better take care of it. All the money in the world is literally completely worthless if you don't have your health. I don't care if you make $10 million. If you're sick, if you're in pain, if you can't enjoy your life, what's the point? How many old billionaires do you think would give up 90% of their wealth to be 20 or 30 years old, again with a healthy body and a healthy mind? All of them. Every single one. So while you're out here grinding and hustling and trying to build your business and make money, don't neglect your health. Don't sacrifice your body and your mind for short-term success, because you're going to regret it later. I promise you that. Go to the gym, eat real food, get enough sleep, take care of your mental health, manage your stress. All of that matters. It matters more than almost anything else, because without your health, nothing else matters. You could have all the success in the world and you won't even be able to enjoy it. So make your health a priority now. One of the best things I ever did was to stop worrying about what everyone else was doing and just focus on my own journey. Stop comparing yourself to everyone else on social media, because here's the truth. With social media these days, it looks like everybody's a 12-year-old billionaire who's got it all figured out. Everybody's posting their wins, their rented cars, their fake watches, their lifestyle. And it's so easy to look at all of that and feel like you're behind, like you're not doing enough, like everyone else is winning except you. But most of the stuff you see online is fake. It's edited or at least exaggerated. It's carefully curated to make people's lives look way better than they actually are. So take a breather and spend more time offline. Spend more time in the real world, focusing on your real life and your real goals. You don't need to feed other people's agendas. You don't need to play the social media egotistical game. You can't win that fucking game. There's always going to be somebody who seems to have more than you. Just let it go. You don't need to post everything you do just to prove to strangers on the internet that you're successful. Focus on your actual real life, your real progress, your real journey. Because at the end of the day, the only person you should compete with is yourself. Are you better today than you were yesterday or last year? Are you making progress towards your actual goals? That's all that matters. Not how many likes you get, not how many followers you have, how many of these people would be at your funeral. Come on. It doesn't matter how your life compares to some random person's highlight reel on Instagram. Focus on running your race and watch how much faster you start moving when you stop being distracted by what everybody else seems to be doing. If you'd like me to teach you personally how I've made thousands of dollars per day with my consulting business, click the link in the description below. I've made a free training where I'm going to reveal the only 3 things you need to start printing money today. And you can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team. We'll help you implement everything step by step so you can get your first customers as quickly as possible and then be able to quit your 9-to-5 and reach financial freedom. But be quick, we've got very limited spots for that. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.